Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about the uses of a computer. Till now we have learned about the parts of a computer. So how many parts in a computer? 4 parts in a computer. So keyboard, mouse, monitor, cabinet. And all the devices, all those are connected to the cabinet. Okay, computer is a smart machine and it is an electronic machine. It uses electricity to work. That we have learned. What is the use of a computer? To solve big sums and to store the lot of information. For calculation and for storing, we use computers. Okay, what is the use? Why we are using that computer? Because it works very fast. It won't make any mistakes. It gives you correct answer always. Okay, for that reason we are using computers. Now we will learn what are the uses of a computer. So our third lesson is uses of a computer. Uses of a computer. Okay. So using 4 parts, what we can do? Using keyboard, we can type. We can type letters, numbers, special characters, isn't it? So we can type. The first use is typing. We can type letters. The process of writing from keyboard is called as typing. So typing is nothing but writing from keyboard. Writing from keyboard. What we can write? So we can write letters, numbers, special characters. So that is called as typing. The first use is typing. So we can type and we can send mails, we can write letters, you can write a story in the system. So what we can write? Letters we can write, numbers you can write and special characters we can write. So how many letters you have? A to Z, 26 letters, 26 alphabets we have. Isn't it? We have learned this alphabets. So those are called as alphabet keys. So using these A to Z, you can make different words and sentences. So numbers, how many numbers we have? 0 to 9 numbers we have on the keyboard. Using those numbers, you can make any number of digits. So some special characters also there. Using keyboard you can type different special characters. So what are those special characters we can see on the keyboard? Plus, minus, star symbol, slash symbol, dollar symbol, ampersand. All these are the special characters. So we can write from keyboard, that is called as typing. The first use is typing. Typing means you can type letters, you can type numbers, you can type special characters. That means using letters you can make sentences. Using numbers you can write digits. And special characters and different symbols you have, you can type those also from computer. Is typing. The second use is solve sums. Second one is solve sums. We said we can solve big sums using computer. Okay. Next is solving sums. Solving sums, or we can write it solve sums. Okay. You can solve sums. Suppose if it is 10 plus 20, you can solve it or not? We can write it 30 like that. Or some 500 plus 600. You can do it, isn't it? We can do that. Suppose if you have big numbers from here to there, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All this much big number you have. And another big number. And another. So like that if you have, can you calculate those? We may do, but we can do some mistakes. So without any errors, without any mistakes, to do the calculations, we use computer. So what is the second use? Solve sums. To solve big sums, we use computer. Okay. Next, the third one is listen to music. Listen to music. So you all are interested. You are so much interested to listen rhymes. You can listen Telugu rhymes, English rhymes, Hindi rhymes, isn't it? And some songs also you can listen. So to listen music, we will connect the headset or earphones, headset to the computer or to the laptop and we can listen to the music. So next one is watch cartoons. So we can watch cartoons or movies. Cartoons and movies. So animated movies. Some like Kung Fu Panda, Angry Birds, and some Finding Nemo. Isn't it? All those movies we will watch or not? Those cartoons and animated movies we can watch in the computer. Okay. So next fifth one is play games. You can play games. Some cricket, football, chess games. So all those games we can play using computer. In the computer you can play games also. So typing, solve sums, and we can listen to the music, watch cartoons and movies, we can play games. Drawing pictures. We use computer to draw pictures. Drawing pictures. So what is the device we use to draw pictures? Mouse, isn't it? When we learned about mouse, that time we have learned we can draw and color pictures using mouse, isn't it? So using mouse we can draw and color pictures. Which device we use? Mouse. So using this mouse we can draw and color pictures. So watch cartoons and movies. Where you will watch those? On monitor. So whatever we want we will select that and we will watch it on the monitor. So solving sums means it will be done in the CPU. Okay, sums will be solved in the CPU. Okay, so what is the first one? Typing. The first I write here. First one is typing. So typing, using which device we will type? Keyboard. Using keyboard we will type letters, numbers and special characters. Okay. So these are the uses of a computer. So what are the uses of a computer? First one, typing. Using keyboard we will type letters, numbers, special characters. Typing is nothing but writing using keyboard into the computer. Second one is solving sums. Big sums we can solve using the computer. Where it will be done? In CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. So it will calculate all those and it remembers, it stores in the CPU. So third one is listen to music. We will play those music and we will connect the headset. We will listen to music. And you can listen to the rhymes, Telugu rhymes, Hindi rhymes, English rhymes. You can listen. And normal songs also you can listen from desktop or from laptop. A smartphone also you can listen. So next one is watch cartoons and movies. So we all are so much interested to watch animated stories. So those you can watch from the keyboard. Where you will see those? On monitor. So next one is play games. We can play games like cricket, chess games. Okay, chess, cricket, all those games we can play in the computer. Last one is drawing pictures. So you can draw pictures and you can color those pictures in the computer. So what is the device we use to draw and color pictures? Mouse. Using mouse we can draw and color pictures. Okay. These all are the uses of a computer. And what are the places where you see the computers, where the computers are used, what is the purpose in that place? All those we will learn in next class. Okay. So these uses I will show you in the system so that you can remember well. Okay children. Yeah, good morning children. Today we are going to learn about uses of a computer. So from last class onwards we are learning about the parts. Okay, how many parts in a computer, how to connect those, that we have learned. Now we will learn about the uses of a computer. What are the uses of a computer? We will see now. Playing games. To play games we use the computer. See, the children are playing there. Next is typing. So from keyboard we are typing now. That is to type letters, numbers, special characters. We use keyboard. We use a computer to type. Third is drawing pictures. See, that boy is drawing pictures now. So that one, to draw and color pictures we use computer. Okay, using mouse we can draw and color pictures. So computer is used to draw pictures. Next is solving sums. So big sums we can solve using computer. Next is listen to music. We can listen music, rhymes, isn't it? Songs. So all those we can listen from the computer. Next is watching cartoons and movies. We can watch cartoons, movies, stories, animation stories. All those we can watch from the computer. Okay, these are the different uses of a computer. What are those? Playing games and typing. Typing, you can type letters, numbers, special characters, all those. And we can draw different pictures and color those pictures. Solving sums. To solve big sums we use computer. Next, listen to music. We can listen to the rhymes, songs. Next is watching cartoons and movies. We can watch animated stories, cartoons and animation stories. All those we can watch from the computer. Thanks for watching. And remaining uses. What are the places where you can see the computers? About all those places we will learn in next class. Okay, children?